You're watching the In Vegas Style. I am out at Best Buy and I saw this product, Universal Lapel Microphone by Insignia. Now I wanted to give this a try because I'm constantly out and every time I look around or I'm talking in a video, the air is a problem. So let's see if this makes any difference. So right now this is without a microphone, me talking to my iPhone 10. Now, this might seem corny, but I am outside of the store and I'm just so anxious to give this a try. Now, this comes with a pouch, and let me pull out the adapters. To begin, this comes with an adapter here. You can use this for a GoPro. Then you have the 3.5 millimeter adapter right here. And then you go to the microphone itself. Now, the microphone, which is really cool, you can toggle this between a camera and then for your smartphone. Okay, for a smartphone, you don't need a battery. Now here's the actual lapel, okay, and then here's the jack. So the real test for this is I use an iPhone 10 and it only carries a lightning adapter, right? So I brought mine here and I'm going to plug mine in and let's see if there's any difference in the audio. So before we go outside, I wanted to show you what the sound would be like if I was inside my car. So if you're vlogging outside, if you're just kind of doing like an impromptu kind of vlog out there, well, the sound in here is nice and quiet and I'm sure the mic is picking up. Now, I don't know what the sound is like just yet, but I imagine because of the acoustical sound that's in here right now, I imagine that this sounds pretty good. What do you think? Okay, so I'm decently close to the phone right now and I am connected on the lapel mic. So the wind conditions are actually quite, there's enough wind right now, but I'm going to go ahead and step back. I'm not going to talk as loud, but as you can see, I can keep on feeding this. All right, I think I moved my phone by accident, but I'm still pretty far away and you should be able to tell that the sound is pretty continuous. So, and the quality doesn't change. So whether I'm talking right here, I'm just gonna kind of talk a little bit lower and come in, and the sound quality is actually pretty good. So I wanted to show you my environmental situation right now. So as you can see, the trees moving, there's definitely wind. You got that copter up in the air right there, but I don't think that it's really affecting my sound too much. What do you think? So if you're out in the market for a lapel mic, I definitely highly suggest the Insignia microphone. Now I get it, there's better microphones out there, but for the price, you can't go wrong. And if you're simply vlogging, this is actually a really good deal. So hey, thanks for watching. Till next time, the In Vegas Style.